You might sometimes have this problem that you really want Indomie, but it's just nothing here that's Indomie. So, whoops, Indomie soto. So what I sometimes do is I sometimes try to make my own Indomie goreng. So I'm gonna show you how to make it, and it's pretty easy. Have a look. First, we start with some water. Okay. I'm gonna make the sauce. The sauce is actually pretty simple. There's a lot of variations to this, so you can try to make your own. We're gonna start with some garlic powder, about 1 teaspoon, some cayenne, actually a lot of cayenne, maybe 1 teaspoon, and some MSG, about 1 teaspoon, or more if you want. This one you cannot miss. Ketchup, mayonnaise. Okay, that might be a bit too much. Okay, that might be a bit too much. Okay, and also last one is some sesame oil. If you don't have MSG, you can probably substitute it with some chicken stock or beef stock or vegetable stock, or some salt and pepper, but MSG is the best. And so you can grab any noodle. I happen to have this. Any noodle would work. Let's try this. This is not going to fit. So, just gonna. Shit, I just burnt myself. Okay. That's literally just gonna take a minute or so. And this noodle, you have to be really, really dry. You can't have any of the excess water in the bowl. That's one mistake that a lot of people make. And also, if you want, if you have some, you can grab some shallot as well, which is really good. So I'm going to grab some shallot, wash the shallot, and I'm just going to literally chop the shallots here. Optional, obviously, because traditionally we don't have this. And also, by the way, one other important ingredient is Goreng. Fried shallot. This is a really good dressing as well, so I'm gonna use that. Let's take a look at the noodle here. It's pretty much done. stretch big noodles that are more similar to Indomie, but nothing actually beats Indomie. So because of poor planning, I happen to not have any at home. It might be a bit too little, but see, it has to be very, very dry like this. It is very dry. And all we have to do now is just to mix it. Okay. That's it. DIY Indomie. And let's give it a go. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.